Today we will be doing FastAPI with the Docker. We'll run a simple Python application with the FastAPI and we run it using a Docker. So in this Visual Studio Code, we simply copy this basic example. Then we create a new file. We name that file app.py. We paste that code written from the ChatGPT onto our app.py file. Then we grab a simple Docker file and we create a new Docker file in same directory, and we copy the content generated with the ChatGPT into this Docker file. We may have to remove this run and sudo apt-get commands, which we don't need. We can build the Docker using docker build -d, and we provide the tag of FastAPI. You can name that tag whatever you like. We can also run with the -d and -p command, and you will see in the Docker that your image is running. Then you can stop or delete the cluster from the Docker, and you can restart or rerun in the background. After that, you can go to the URL which is exposed on the port 8000 with the uvicorn, and this is the FastAPI which is running. You can check your own computer's IP address using arp-a command, and the hello world is working as well. You can inspect the instance and find out the IP address, or you can simple docker ps and the running images will be shown here. And you can stop it from a Docker file. That's it for today, and see you next one.